Jesus, man. First drive with new suspension, how it's gonna be, man. First time. Coilovers are just installed. Damn, it's completely different thing. Well, first of all, it's a little higher. Man. Let's see. We go. Damn. Wait a minute. Definitely ride qualities. I mean, this is also good road. You'll need to do a proper testing. Actually, it's riding fucking... It's not that... I mean, I was thinking it was going to be very stiff, you know. But damn. I'm no expert in all kinds of cars, but damn. So far, so good. Hopefully in the drifting the car will be way better. Man, I think it takes corners like... Woo! It was not very serious corner, but damn. Okay, alright, we need a little bit more, how you say, testing, yeah? And then we are gonna see. Damn, I'm so excited, I don't even know what to do. But man, so far so good. Damn, can't wait to get on the track, man. Let's chill. Need to wait for a rain so we can start easy again, you know. Actually, man, I thought it was going to be stiff as hell. These roads are not the best at all. But man, we are rolling. Ah. Might be a little stiff, but damn, not fucking bad at all. Shit. It's awesome. It's insane. And let's test this. Oh, raise the car a little bit and damn, no need to worry about shit. Let's see this test. Ooh, ooh. I don't like this type of a road anyway, but damn, we are driving slow as hell. I mean, maybe you can see or feel that we are not so smooth anymore, but we are more stiff, you know. So I hope... Oh, damn, yeah, you feel... Okay, alright. Oh, yeah, we are stiff as shit. Jesus. We need to test this on track, man. Can't wait. And... so good. Let's see you on the track. 3, 2, 1, go, bam. There is no rain, but there is some construction going on and there is some dirt here, so we can try to use it. Yeah, then it grips up immediately. But we can go on the outside here. Damn, long time no see. And next test we will need to do when there is going to be a rain. So but now we can't. My G. Damn, are you kidding? What the hell? Damn, this is fucking slippery. What the fuck is going on? I have to remind that this is first time with coilovers doing something like this, not counting the gravel stuff. Damn, man. Fucking we can actually do something on dry. No, I mean it's dirty with the dust and shit, but damn, maybe we can do something. Holy hell, it's sleeper. I have to tell that we have basically no tires at the rear, but okay, all right, this is unexpected. Jesus, can we hold the one big circle? I didn't know that we can do this. Holy shit. Yeah, I remember when we didn't have coilovers, man, even in the rain, we were flying all over the, you know, the seat and all that shit. Damn, I'm surprised. Are we rolling? Yes, we are. I'm surprised. Holy shit. Yeah, this is no asphalt, I have to tell you that. But come on, man, perfect place for a low power car like this. No, we need to figure out shit first. Damn, you actually have fucking control. Jeez, it's long time. It's long time no see when we did this thing last time, if you know what I'm saying. With coil, oh damn, we have coilovers, we have strut brace in front and rear, and also we have poly bushings on the, yeah, well, those big ones in the wishbones, in the rear wishbones or something like that. So we have some upgrades, man. We can finally at least somehow roll. Jesus. Let's try. Where do we go? I don't see. Oh, we can. Okay. We can do this. We can do this. Give us a minute. And the angle, fucking, we have the angle as well. Come on, man. Hey, okay, man. Tires ain't that bad. So, what? How to say? We need to sit further back. Don't lean in front like that. Yes. Let's try. I'm surprised like say no tomorrow. The speed is, yeah, speed is a little higher. Ay. No, maybe we need to figure out a different config, because I think this here, it will be a little too much. Take it easy, it's day one, man. Ay. What configuration could we do? Can we somehow flick? Aha, not like that. We're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. You need to really think fast, how to say. Yeah, how do we? Nah. We need to do the flick in a different way. That was already something. We have a long way to go. I mean, today destination to travel, so, and today no tire shop is working, so man, we can't waste the tires too much. Yeah. Okay. Let's go check the tires one more time, man. Yeah, fucking hell, the speed is there, definitely. Damn, and the gasoline is going away pretty fast too, man. Shit, are we good? Not that bad. Oh shit. Okay, let's do three more. Yeah. Damn, man. Where? Changing grip levels. Fuck, didn't have the power, or maybe should have done a clutch kick or something. This was a very good quick stuff. We need new tires in the back. Maybe we don't even need to wait for the rain. This is the coilover ultimate test. Holy shit. Oh, I'm tired already. Yeah. Hold up. Man, really, this fucking start to get scary when you get up the speed. Okay, last time, and we move, man. This is going to be awesome already as it is. Jeez. Yeah, on the proper asphalt I think it would be way harder. This is a kind of smooth surface and all that. Okay, let's try initiate somehow. almost did the whole okay, we didn't start from the start, but damn, that's fucking nice stuff. Jesus, this car can do it. Oh my god. And yeah, we have fucking this thing broken. We need to fix that. Holy hell. Are we good? Yeah, should be fine. Ooh, yeah. Man, fuck, I didn't know we can do that. Yeah, man, this car can do it. No way. Okay, let's end it there, man.